I've got a store-bought pizza here. So boring. I gotta add something to it. I need to add some pizzazz. I'm gonna turn this into a jalapeno popper pizza. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
Okay, I'm gonna pre-bake it for 8 minutes. I need a box of softened cream cheese. I'm gonna mix that with a small can of diced jalapenos. I'm gonna spread on that cream cheese. Next, I add on some bacon pieces. Add some sharp cheddar cheese and a little mozzarella. Sprinkle on a little breadcrumbs. I've taken a little raspberry jelly and mixed it with some water. I'm just gonna squirt a little of that sauce on the very top. Time to bake it according to directions. Jalapeno Popper Pizza. Wow. Just like a jalapeno popper. Spicy. What do you call a dog that's part collie, Labrador, and Dalmatian? Collaboration.